Hey everyone, Zane here, and today we're going to review Fathom AI. Fathom AI is an innovative artificial intelligence tool designed to streamline various business processes, from data analysis to customer interaction. With its robust set of features, Fathom AI offers businesses the ability to automate tasks, analyze data efficiently, and make data driven decisions faster than ever. It's essentially a multi response AI solution. And today we'll break down how it works, its main pros, cons, and most importantly, what you get for free when you sign up. Pros of Fathom AI. Let's start with the pros of Fathom AI. First off, it's incredibly user friendly. One of the standout features is its intuitive interface. You don't need a PhD in AI to get started. You can easily integrate it with other tools and platforms, making it a great choice for businesses that need to hit the ground running. Another major pro is its versatility. Whether you are working with large data sets, automating workflows, or even enhancing customer support, Fathom AI has got you covered. For marketers, it can analyze user behavior and optimize campaigns based on real time data. For businesses, it automates repetitive tasks, saving valuable time and resources. Plus, Fathom AI offers robust data analysis tools that help you gain actionable insights from your data without being overwhelmed by all the numbers. Cons of Fathom AI. Now, no tool is perfect, and Fathom AI does have some drawbacks. Let's talk about the cons. One of the main complaints users have is the pricing structure. While the tool is powerful, it can get pretty expensive, especially for small businesses. The premium features, which include advanced AI capabilities, are locked behind a paywall, and they can add up quickly. Another downside is the learning curve for advanced features. While the basic functionality is easy to grasp, diving into some of the more complex AI tools can require a bit of a learning curve. And if you're looking for customer support, while the team is responsive, the self help documentation could use some improvement. Some users have found it lacking in depth when it comes to troubleshooting complex issues. Free features of Fathom AI. Now let's talk about what you can get for free. Fathom AI offers a set of basic features that are perfect for startups or individuals who want to test the waters before committing to a paid plan. First, there is access to its core analytics tools. You can still analyze basic data sets and get useful insights without spending a dime. You can also use the tool for simple task automation like managing email campaigns or scheduling social media posts. While you won't get access to all the advanced features, the free plan is great for small scale use. Another great thing is the limited but valuable access to AI driven content creation tools. If you need help generating text for ads, blog posts, or social media, Fathom AI's free version provides a taste of what it can do without requiring you to pay upfront. So is Fathom AI worth it in 2025? For businesses that need robust AI driven automation and data analysis tools, it's definitely a contender. If you are looking for something that can help you streamline operations and improve decision making, Fathom AI is a solid choice. However, if you are just starting out or on a tight budget, you might find the free features sufficient for basic needs. And that's all for today's review. If you find it helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.